Big breaking news which is coming in, viewers. This is the update coming in from the top court. Remember the Meenakshi Natarajan Rajya Sabha nomination row. So that had reached the Supreme Court. What has happened is that there is a big update coming in from the top court. Supreme Court though has agreed to hear the petition tomorrow, but refused to stay the declaration of results. Certainly it's a setback far as the Congress is concerned. Meenakshi Natarajan Rajya, there is no relief at the moment. The court says that there is no stay on the declaration of results. Harish, big update coming in from the top court. Take us through how we are to interpret the latest development coming in. The Supreme Court says while they'll be hearing the matter tomorrow, at the moment SC says there is no stay on the declaration of results.
Yes, in a way, we can say that it's a setback for Meenakshi Natarajan, as the Supreme Court, Supreme Court bench did not accede to the demand of Abhishek Manu Singhvi, her lawyer, to hear the petition today itself. He has, remember, Meenakshi Natarajan had moved Supreme Court challenging decision of the returning officer rejecting her nomination papers for Rajya Sabha election. Abhishek Singhvi said that it's an extraordinarily urgent hearing is required today because today the results will be declared, and as of now it's an unopposed election and the opposite candidate will be declared a winner. But Supreme Court said it can only hear the matter tomorrow, not today, and has now listed the matter for hearing tomorrow. Singhvi said, Supreme Court bench said it shall be listed tomorrow, subject to curing of defect. And then after that, Singhvi said it may be listed tomorrow, but let them not declare the result because as of now, it's an unopposed case and the BJP candidate will win. But Supreme Court refused to stay the declaration of result or holding back of the case and said that tomorrow, merely said that the matter can only be heard tomorrow.
Yeah, so Supreme Court going to hear the matter tomorrow and also take us to Singhvi's arguments. As you were saying, Mr. Singhvi went on to obviously tell the court that the matter is extremely urgent. If I could read some other arguments, he went on to say that it's the last day of withdrawal, and despite of that, the Supreme Court says nothing doing. We are going to be hearing the case tomorrow. What does this mean for Meenakshi Natarajan? What does this mean for the Congress party? Because end of the day, as you were also highlighting, looks like that these polls for this particular seat, far as Rajya Sabha is concerned, that's going to be unopposed, a huge advantage to the BJP, obviously.
Yes, this is precisely what Abhishek Singhvi said, because this is a very extraordinary situation. This matter may be heard today itself, because today is the last date for withdrawal of nominations and also for nominations, and that's why after today there are chances that even the result will be declared, and because it's as of now it's a case of unopposed. Since Natarajan has been disqualified, there is a huge impact on for this particular case. But at least Supreme Court should order that results should not be declared today.
How resonating in the Supreme Court at the moment, as of now, to be highlighted, there is no stay on the declaration of results, and also SC is going to hear the matter tomorrow. Let's listen in, viewers, to what Meenakshi Natarajan has had to say earlier.
क्लियरली यहाँ पर राज्यसभा के चुनाव को भी, जैसे इन्होंने मध्य प्रदेश में पिछले समय में कोऑपरेटिव के चुनाव और अन्य चुनावों को किया है, वैसा ही बनाने की कोशिश हो रही है। एक तरफ ये महिलाओं की बात करते हैं, दूसरी तरफ उन्होंने जिस तरह के हथकंडे अपनाए, पहला सदस्य संख्या न होने पर भी एक कैंडिडेट उतारा।
कि पहली बात, क्या ऐसा प्रकरण था या नहीं, और था, और इस पर जब न्यायालय में पक्ष रखा गया तो उसे मेंशन क्यों नहीं किया गया। नंबर 2, तेलंगाना में आपकी सरकार है, उसने स्पष्टीकरण क्यों नहीं दिया। और नंबर 3, आपने बैकअप प्रत्याशी नहीं खड़ा किया। नंबर 4, क्या कांग्रेस के नेताओं ने ही जानबूझकर यह गलती तो नहीं होने दी जिनका काम इस नामांकन पत्र की जांच करना था।
All right, that's a big update coming in from the Supreme Court. We are going to keep an eye on that big story through the course of the day. As of now, slipping into a short commercial break.